Okay, this last bit is how to use classroom mode in Minecraft EDU. So here I am in a world with somebody who's on a district device. That's the district device. Someone who's on an iPad. There's the iPad. Okay. And here I am in classroom mode. Now here's how I got classroom mode. It's a little hard to find. If you just Google it, it takes you to instructions, and it keeps taking you here. And this is how you download Minecraft EDU. So you're kind of like, why does it keep bringing me here? The directions on the video that they have online, they're out of date. Classroom mode is here. It's kind of hidden. I don't know if they do that to hide it from kids or what, but it took me like a half an hour to find it. So you download classroom mode here, and then you install it, and then you have to open it separately. So I just went here and typed classroom. There it is, classroom mode for Minecraft. I started that, and that opened this up. But it didn't open this exactly. Let's see what happens if I close it. Okay, it opened this, except this didn't appear until I entered this world. When I entered this world, that's when this appeared. So I open this up. And now there's a bunch of things that I can do. One is the ability to teleport. I have found that the intuitive thing that I keep wanting to do is grab this dot, but it just moves the map. I can't grab this dot. So if I want to move T. Larson, I go over here to the player roster, pick him up from here, and then drop him there. See how it teleported him? And then I can't grab him. I keep wanting to grab him. I grab the name. Drop the name. There we go. So if you see someone who's somewhere they shouldn't be, and you're like, whoa, how did that person get there? Just grab their name, drop them. You can, let's see. You can send a message. I can also do that in the game, but I can do that out here too. I can also mute individual players, and also I can turn off damage, building. Oh, that's damage. Well, this is the ability for players to hurt each other. That's digging. That's damage of any kind. Destructive items, monsters, weather, chat, and then pausing. I can pause the game. So I suggest when you do this to also get together on Google Meet so that you can be talking your class through some things. If you pause it and you send them a message, they can't see that message because it's paused. So you need some way to communicate with everyone live so that if you pause them, they can understand why you paused them. So that was just a quick overview of Google Classroom mode. I realized as a player I didn't really have a lot of control over what my students did. So I looked into it and found this. So, all right, everybody, have a great day. Good luck.